Hi, so today we're making chicken bacon, and this is kind of a side-off dish from our chicken pot pie that Tammy's making, and she's going to explain it to you.
So I had 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that I cooked in the crock pot, and so this is when I took them out of the crock pot, and I'm just gonna take the skin off, and I have a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm not handling the skin, just it's cooked, but it's just because it's hot, so that's why I used a fork. So it's a little bit tricky getting it lined up, but so basically just taking all the skins off, putting them on the parchment paper, and we're going to cook this in the oven just to crisp it up a little, because when you cook it in the crock pot, it can get just a little bit, kind of rubbery. Like I said, it's cooked, but it's better if it's crispy. So we're going to put this under the broiler, and I just put it under the low broiler, not the high broiler, and put that in the oven, and
When you
then
do
just
this,
set the timer for 10 minutes.
okay.
And then after the 10 minutes, check it to see if it's crisp enough, and then just took it out of the oven and I was ready to eat.
Yeah, it tastes just like bacon, and you put some seasoning on it. You have to watch the other video to see that, but that's that simple, and it's fantastic, people. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye.